Hi there! Children love to play with bubbles. In today's video, I will show you how to make art and play in a different way with them. For today's activity, we need a bubble solution, and I will show you how to prepare it. We need 300 milliliters of warm water, 5 tablespoons of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid.
Mix everything in a bowl. 2 recipes are enough to do all the activities in this video. Bubble painting. Put a little bubble solution in a container and add some drops of food coloring. You can do this with many colors. Attention! Food coloring can stain. Place a straw down into the bubble solution and blow. Keep blowing the bubbles up until they overflow the container and form a big mountain. Remove your straw, grab a paper and place it gently on top of the bubbles. Let it dry. You can draw and cut out some shapes. Bubble snake. We'll need a plastic bottle, a small piece of towel, and a rubber band. Put a towel on the bottle and secure with the rubber band. Drop some food coloring on the towel. Dip it in the bubble solution. Blow into the bottle and watch the bubble snake emerge. Then, you can place a paper on the bubbles. Colorful bubble foam. You can use the colorful bubble solution that we've made in the first activity. Put it in a bowl, then fire up the mixer on its highest speed and let it whip the mixture into a foam for 2 minutes.
Ela explodiu, foi assim que surgiu a galinha famosa. Cantora, mais famosa do Brasil.
At the end, you'll have a super fun and colorful sensory bin.
Bye bye!